Understanding which foods to avoid with an enlarged spleen and liver is crucial for managing these conditions effectively. The spleen, vital for immune function and blood circulation, can encounter complications when it enlarges. To alleviate symptoms and prevent further issues, it's essential to steer clear of certain foods. High-fat, processed, and sodium-rich foods should be avoided, as well as spicy foods, alcohol, and caffeine, which can exacerbate symptoms. Reducing intake of red meat and dairy products can also help ease digestive strain. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to support overall health. By making mindful dietary choices, individuals with an enlarged spleen and liver can better manage their condition and improve their quality of life. Consulting with a healthcare professional or dietitian for personalized guidance is recommended. 1. Sugary foods. Daily consumption of sugary foods can adversely affect an enlarged spleen. This can weaken your body's immune function, making it harder to combat infections. Avoiding sugary foods is crucial for managing an enlarged spleen and maintaining a healthy immune system. 2. Alcohol. Consuming alcohol is another poor choice when dealing with an enlarged spleen. It can contribute to further enlargement of the spleen. To address this issue, individuals should cease alcohol consumption altogether. 3. Smoking. After quitting the alcohol, it is also necessary to avoid the smoking habit initially. Both alcohol and cigarettes equally create a bad and negative impact on the spleen. And it may often increase the size of your spleen quickly. Besides that, it will lower the immunity system of your health, and you will face different types of health issues regularly. 4. Caffeine. All the caffeine-related products like tea, coffee, and other beverages you should not be taken if you are facing the problem of an enlarged spleen. This is another bad choice of food that people need to avoid. Hence, if you have the habit of taking the tea or coffee daily, you should stop taking the caffeine immediately. 5. Diet sodas. Besides that, you will also have to avoid diet soda drinks. Most diet soda drinks include artificial colors and sweetened ingredients like saccharins and others. Hence, you will have to leave all the diet soda drinks if you want to solve the problem. 6. Fast foods. You have to leave all the fast foods like pizza, burgers, and other fast foods if you want to normalize the size of your enlarged spleen. 7. Dairy products. On the other side, all types of dairy products that you eat daily need to stop immediately to normalize the size of the enlarged spleen. 8. Energy drinks. Lastly, we will suggest every one of you do not take any energy drink while you are going through the problem of an enlarged spleen. What causes an enlarged spleen? If you are looking for the causes of an enlarged spleen, it may vary on the different types of diseases and infections that your body faces. However, it depends on your treatment and how immediately you will solve the problem for yourself. Keeping these things aside, here are some of the causes of the enlarged spleen for you to know. Infections such as mononucleosis and toxoplasmosis can be the cause of an enlarged spleen.